Here we go again. Should I buy or say bye-bye? Cute little house over here in Dellwood, North County. They got a garage next door, but they ain't got one over here. What's that about? Big old AC. Nice little sun porch. And a big yard. That yard go way back, buddy. Way back. So that's what we got from the outside. New roof. But we're going to see if the inside make it do what it do. Boom! So for those that don't know, my name is Chris Monroe. Chris Cashflow Money Monroe, and I'm always on the go. We out here in sunny St. Louis. About to go inside of this property. Let's see what's popping. What's cracking? So give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a share if you care. And let's see what we got. Let's see what's cooking and booking. It's a nice quiet street, but boy, that's a lot of yard. I'll tell you that. No shortage on yard. Here we go. We're home. Honey, I'm home. It's a big living room. I put a sectional in here. It's a big eat-in area. Is this considered the dining room? It's big. Did I hear a chirp noise? What's that, Shay, baby? A single girl tail. Is this granite? Oh no, that's just some other stuff. So you got dishwasher, dual sink. They got a garbage disposal. Yeah, look garbage, look plumbing, look alright. Gas stove, stainless fridge, and all of that. So dining, living, big open plan. And they got a bedroom back here, or could it be an office? Could be. Well, that's a bedroom because they got a closet. I guess that's a closet too. So there's no tub down here. And we're missing a shower head. But I do like that they got a little seat there.
Hey, it's that new. Yes, we back. What's up?
You know the phone gonna ring if you're on a live stream. And that thing kind of loud. Oh, that's the vent and the light together. That thing loud. Turn that thing off. Let's see what else they got upstairs. There's an upstairs here? You didn't go up there yet? Me neither. I'm coming up, y'all. Oh, look at that cute light. You couldn't bring a bed up here because this light's so low. It's just coming up right here. It's going to be kind of tricky. But we'll figure it out. Oh, it's big up here. Hot, but big. So you got a room over here. And then I'm coming into that room. Go right into the room I'm going to be in. Funny. So is this considered 2 bedrooms up here? I guess it is. You got 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Kind of warm up here. I'd have to put some window units or something. They got central air. Where's the vent at in this room? Oh, there's one. So we got vent. Look like they got new windows. Okay. They're doing a little something up here. Up here. Let me see how this looks with the light on. That might help. Oh. So bedroom 1. Oh. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. So back downstairs we go. Let's see what that basement looking like. Coming down. In the basement, we're around here on the other side of the kitchen. Got a little pantry there. Let's see what the guts look like. The stuff that costs the most money. Ooh, that's a big basement. Smell a little musty. Just a little musty. Where the light at? Ain't got no light in this hallway? I ain't. Glad I ain't scared of the dark. A little musty down here. So that's what we got. Dry storage. Dry storage, wash. Is that a washer dryer hookup right there? Now, why that's so low? Don't the washer dryer hookup supposed to be like, or just water hookup? I don't know what that is. What do I know? Stacks or stacking. They put a real line of there. That's what we got. Where's the water heater and furnace? Spider webs, yuck. That's the one thing about them basements. So that's our electrical. That's our furnace. And that's our little water heater. Seems like a little water heater, but I guess gets the job done. Expansion tanks. And then we got some more storage on that side, look like. All right, got little spider webs down here, man. Hey, get out these spider webs, man. So I'm getting out this basement now. I'll be eating webs. So what do you think about it? From what you've seen so far, I guess that's a walkout to, oh, that's to the sun porch. Sun porch. Get you some sun on the porch. And we'll be back. Close it up. It looks like it's missing a light right there, though. That's the main thing. Put some kind of little motion sensor light or something there. That would help for down here. Kind of darken that little alleyway. Any ice cold beer here? That's what we got. Kitchen. A full kitchen. So I do like the size of the house. It's not like it's a little baby house. Upstairs kind of crampy, but what do you know? What do you think about this, Shay, baby?
Nice.
You don't like this house.
I do.
I know when you like a house. Because if you like a house, you be like, oh, what's that over there? And I ain't hear you say, oh, what's that over there?
There's solid floors, good cabinets, good appliances.
Okay, so there you go. Do what you do. Be who you be. And I'll see you before you see me.